Welcome everyone. Just about time for market open. We're not doing positions anyway until we're not sure what to do. But market just opened. And so let us get on with it. All right. So we had news and now it seems like we're just heading for breaking these highs here. This high is at 59. Are we gonna go for 59? I wonder. Does it really want to? If it breaks that, yeah, 59 area, well, it's a risky business for sure. And also gotta make sure that we have connection. You know, you never know with Rhythmic. Yeah, it seems like it's working. BULENOX, my funded futures, everything is working. Okay. All right, great. Have to do a test nowadays. You can never know. So it seems like we're breaking this high. Great. You can clearly see it on the 15 minutes. So I wonder, is it want to go higher or not? We still have a level at 64, or is it just going to retrace? That is something we have no idea. If I go down to the 1 minute, all we can see is this huge displacement. Nothing is really happening right now. We do have a nice buy side on the Russell, so that is interesting, but I don't know if Russell wants to go for it or not. This buy side comes from actually, oh yeah, December, so that's interesting. We have 97 there. Wow. So I'm not sure, but that's the Russell. But let's not jump into anything. First, we need to make sure that we're on side here. There. Quite a big move, to be honest. Both on Nasdaq and the Russell. But the thing is, I'm not interested in Nasdaq at this point. It's just way up right now. 200 points up. It's too high. Even if I try to look at the highest point at 144, I don't know. Of course it can take it out, but for me it would be a little bit of a risky entry. I would surely like to wait for some decent retracement. And that's what we're gonna do. No gambling, no nothing, just waiting. So I'm just gonna grab a drink and be right back. Okay. Let's see, what do we have? Not much, right? Do I have... Not much, right? Yeah, I have some delay, maybe. I do. All right. So still nothing, and also technically nothing on the Russell. I still have to wait. This was technically a possible position to go long, right? Was it? Anyway, I was using it with a $70 risk. But at this point, I didn't even know. Yeah, I'm just gonna measure it. How much would the risk be if I take this? Yeah, should be about there. We have a fair value gap, but I'm not sure if it wants to take it or not, because this is where the fair value gap would be, and it is technically. I'm just not sure if it wants to go down and touch it. As for targets, I still don't know. We have buy side. Actually, the high of this one is at 97. Wow. So it can go if it wants to. If it wants to. $97. Okay. So it has some places to go. Kid Nash, hey there, good morning. And applause to you. All right. So this is one trade that I took. Only with a smaller risk, but you know, if it goes further down, that's fine. If it wants to retrace some more, I'm down for that. And if not, I would be still. I mean, if it takes me out, I would be still looking for a possible chance to re-enter later on. But that's a maybe. That's a big maybe on my end. What would be the take profit for me on this one? Profit level would be 89.5. What's at 89.5? I don't know. 89.5. All right. Not sure. Yeah, so if it continues to retrace down, then we'll look for another one later. How you doing, Kid Nash? Hope you're having a good day. Looking for the same scenario on Nasdaq, technically. All right. Not much to do really on these levels. So I mean, the historical high is up there. Let me check it on the 4 hours. Up there. Buy side, that's buy side for us. And just for, okay, so we have fair value gaps down there on the 5-minute, also on the 15-minute. It can retrace just as Russell, I think. So we have pending home sales as well, which is medium impact news, but it can also shake the market. As for Nasdaq, well, I don't know. ES is back above 5100, and we have some high here at 5108. I don't know. We're gonna take what we have. But it seems like Russell is wants some more retracement, but nothing on the Nasdaq. So at this point, it's still the waiting game. The big move happened. We're gonna have to wait for that data from pending home sales, and I think there's nothing to do until then. Hagyjon Isten! Köszönöm. Köszönöm. Nem, nekem semmi gond, én el vagyok. Köszönöm szépen. Hungarian fellow trader Zoltan is here. Help me out in my loneliness here. Guys, I think it's going to be official. This is going to be my first red day in 2 weeks. Because this is going to take me out, this position, which going to put me in a situation where I'm not sure how much risk I can take at the rest of the day, because I had 2 more trades, actually 3, which ended up in stop loss during the day with Nasdaq and Russell. So I think I'm going to reach my daily threshold of losses. So that means no more trades. Okay. We have to wait for that news. Can't really do anything about it right now. Maybe after the news we will have something. Maybe. So what do we have? Pending home sales, yeah. Nothing else. I sneezed. Just in time to turn off the microphone. Okay. Well, it's the waiting game, guys. Still 11, no, almost 12 more minutes. So I do like the place. How I mean I like how Nasdaq is moving. By the way, I like it. All right. I don't have anything else. Maybe one more trade for the day, but I don't know. Have to manage risk properly. Nine more minutes until news. I'm waiting. Had a similar day to yours yesterday, just different reasons. I'm still not 100% balanced, trying to tape read. Yeah, sometimes it's better to just do the tape reading. Sometimes it's better to walk away. Sometimes it's better just to watch the market, analyze it, learn from it. I forgot to do journaling yesterday, so I still have to do that. I have to journal yesterday. I do it every evening, and still a lot to learn as well. So yeah, I mean, the other day, which was not on stream, by the way, I had IRL stuff which was disturbing me in my trading, and I was so uncomfortable. I was having phone calls, I was having some bad things going on, IRL, personal life issues. I had to deal with the family stuff, and it was just so annoying that I miscalculated my risk. Actually, I pushed the wrong button as well. I entered to a mini instead of a micro, and it messed up my whole process of thinking, and I was so angry, and the others around me didn't really understand what was happening with me, and I didn't even try to explain them because nobody would understand. But I was frustrated, and yeah, So I know how that feels, and the whole session was out to the dumpster as well. But it happens. It happens. Still less than 7 minutes until pending home sales. Could be interesting, I guess. I guess so. I'm watching for this Nasdaq move, but I don't know. Kind of interesting. I wanted to see the RSI dip lower, but well, let's just see. What about this number? G20 meaning FOMC member. Okay, that will be great. Chicago PMI. Okay, pending home sales. They're expecting lower numbers. Expecting lower numbers. Change in the number of homes under contract to be sold, but still awaiting the closing transaction, excluding new construction. So this is an important number, I think. This is definitely an important number to be focusing on. Good morning there, Sahid. Love your video talking about the fear. It's not final yet. I mean, there's going to be more about that, about fear. I still have another script for that, but thank you. It's still not the final cut, final version. It was just, I was just talking about it. Oh, look at that Russell trade. I think it is anger and the temperament that is hard for us to handle. I mean, I always thought that I was a patient guy. Turned out, yeah, that happens to many of us. I think that happens to many of us who are trading. That's why actually trading, how should I say, the one who trades get to know themselves a little better, I guess. I know it's an interesting analogy, but I think it's something. Yeah. Papa knows 22. Hey there. Hey, took a small short on NQ based on rejection. Okay, from Monday high. Okay, but not really convinced. Just one micro. Well, you know, Monday high. Yeah, we took the Monday high. Well, what's the Monday high? Hold on. Yeah, this was it. Yeah, it was Friday, Sunday. Maybe it's good for a turtle soup. Not sure. You know. We need a little bit of a structure shift. It's possible to go short, of course. We have the all-time high at 144, so it's not that far for Nasdaq. We have to be careful with the shorts, but me personally, even if I have the counter trend entry with ICT, the 2022 model, I don't see an entry right here. Maybe the only exception would be a turtle soup, but maybe here, I don't know. So, but if you're right, then you can actually make huge profit, because then it should be dumping like crazy. But need a break here, and we still have a little bit of time for the news. I'm in drawdown as well, so don't worry about that with the Russell. So we have 2 more minutes until news. A little bit more than 2 minutes. Thank you, by the way, guys, for dropping in. Push the like button, you know. We're getting closer to that 1K. Today is the last day for my funded futures. No activation fee if you register through my link and pick a starter plan, because you know the true cost is the cheapest at my funded futures. And from tomorrow I'm in a trading competition. I'm gonna be doing a new video about that. I'm gonna be part of a trading competition. Wow. I'm gonna be trading Nasdaq futures at my funded futures competition. It's going to be 1 month, and I can only use maximum 1 contract across the board, across the instruments. So that's good. That is something I do like. I'm going to be documenting that, by the way, just saying. Not that I think that I'm 100% sure that I'm going to win, but I might going to use my full contract size on that one. So I'm gonna go with 1 contract, although the risk sizing would not be appropriate, but at least I can go with full throttle. There is no drawdown limit. I can go all the way down on the account. So full throttle. Okay, 15 seconds until news. Let's see if it shakes the market a little bit or not. 10 more seconds. Number is out. Nothing crazy happened so far. I'm checking the indicators. Nothing crazy going on. So at least for now there's no. Oh wow, very not good. Okay, that's not so good. So that's not good. Not the best news. The Nasdaq can still go, right? Maybe it's time for retracement. Also not sure if it's your cup of tea, but gold futures at 2. Oh, if we get it, offers a ton of confluence. Okay, no matter what trading style you have, it has an entry. Gold. Okay, I see what you mean there. I see what you mean with gold. Yeah, it can. Let me check the 1 hour chart. Yeah, we're very close to 61 as well. Gold can play dirty. It can go to 61, but still, yeah, I get what you mean. Yeah, we have everything down there. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Look at that. The NQ can finally dip. If it makes this structure shift, then you guys can actually have a chance to visit these fair value gaps. Maybe it will go all the way down to the 830 news. Who knows? That would be an interesting shake of the market. But we're still close to these all-time highs, and And because ES broke above the 5100, we have to be careful. And if anybody's new, consider to subscribe. Help us out to reach the 1K subscribers with the channel. Push the like button and grab your discount codes, guys. If you just use the link to register, you're eligible for many discounts. If you're a first customer at TOPSTEP, you get 20% discount. All you need to do is register with a new email address as a new client. And what else do we have? We have My Funded Futures, last day of the no activation fee day today, and Apex still has the 80% discount with the 1-day pass. So grab it while you can. I'm not sure about BULENOX. I'm gonna check BULENOX. What's happening? Let me check BULENOX. Yeah, it's still on. BULENOX is having an 83% discount, which is still good. Upfront cost is very cheap for a new account. Go check him out. So let's wait and see. Let's just wait and see. No entry right now. The only entry I had was at the Russell. But actually I have to redefine the buy side because we have highs here. If I go out to the daily, look at all these equal highs up there. It's like beautiful, especially if we go to the 2100. I have to redefine this buy side on the 1 hour. Actually, this whole swing high would be an interesting target for me, but 92. What's the high of this? I'm gonna go 97. I'm gonna go with a round number of 90. No, it's not a round number. I'm gonna go with 96.1, 96.2, 97. All right, let's go with 97. Okay, it's at 97. I don't know. So that's the only thing I have for now. And oh, look at that. Apex connection lost. Copy trading can get out of sync. Do you want to continue copy trading group 1? Yes. Guys, connection lost with Apex. I'm so surprised by the rhythmic. Oh my god, it's why am I not surprised? Joey, hey there. How you doing? How you doing, Joey? How is your trading day so far? It seems like Apex lost connection again. It's really surprising. Maybe he's coming back. I don't know. No, I didn't. Actually, I was in a short before the news, and as you can see, I got taken out. So this morning, I was actually suffering. Like, I had a beautiful trade in the London stream. Then I had the stop loss here, a stop loss here, and a stop loss here. So I went down to -1R, actually a little bit more. And right now, I have a trade open on the Russell, which is going to put me, seems like, -2R. So today it seems like it's not something that is good for me. Today might be officially the first real red day for me, because I'm not going to force it too much more after this. But it seems like that the Nasdaq might be breaking structure. So if you guys want to have an optimal trade entry, I mean a classic YouTube 2022 entry, you can do so, because if the next candle is not going to reprice this fair value gap here, then, you know, we have a possibility that it can go down all the way, take out these lows at the 18,000 level. I don't know, guys, it's interesting. So this candle is closing now. Didn't really leave too much of a fair value gap. If this is going to reprice this fair value gap here, which it did, so never mind. Whatever I just told you, it's not. This fair value gap up here, I don't like this too much. I don't know. That doesn't mean it can't go down, but I really wanted to see this one. But it's just gonna be one of those days, as usual. But you can definitely try to go short here if you guys want to. It's optimal trade entry level. If it goes into that fair value gap, if you guys want to risk it, you can do so. You just put your stop here, and boom, you have a nice 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. And my Russell is just gonna go to the dumpster too. It didn't really go above. Let's see the high. The high was 52.25, 50. So yeah, it didn't make a new high. Oh no. But still, I'm not in this trade. I'm only having the Russell, but it seems like it's gonna take me out. That's a shame. That's a darn shame. Yeah. Then we might have to wait for a deeper retracement. Yeah, damn it. It's gonna take me out. Unfortunate. Oh. Yeah, he's gonna take out that low. Yeah, he's gonna take out the low. Okay, I'm out. I am out. It still shows I'm in, but I'm not in. I don't know how this happened. There are still connection issues. This is gonna be a bearish day. For now, it seems like it anyways. Okay, so I didn't catch that. But maybe the next move, who knows? Who knows what's gonna come in our way? Just gotta be patient. So, but how do you take partials in TradingView? In TradingView, you can only take partials. Yeah, I know what you mean. So, for example, I'm on a paper trading account, right? Yeah. So let's go with, for example, let's sell 2 contracts. So our TP is gonna be down there. Oh wow, we're in a profit. So there's 2 ways to do it. If you want to sell 1 contract, you have to buy it back, basically. Buy it back. It sounds stupid, I know, but you have to push buy market, or you can do it here, like 1 contract here, and now I have 2 sell contracts, so I'm gonna push 1 buy here. Oh, it was not a okay, sorry, I have to go to market. So market, and there you go, 1 contract sold. I was pushing this button, I don't know why. I never trade on TradingView, but yeah, you just push buy and we sold 1 contract. And you can also push the buy button once more, you buy it back. I know it sounds stupid, or you can do it here to the left. Either way, it's not a stupid question. I didn't know either. I don't really like TradingView, I mean for trading, but it's basically, this is it. I mean that's how you do it. There's no stupid question in trading. Okay, now we are having a deeper retracement, which I was hoping for. So we can still get back to the game if we want to. We just gotta play nice. Nice and easy. Of course, we cannot split 1 contract, let it be a mini or a micro. If you have 1 mini, you cannot split it to micros or whatever. There's no way to that. You have to close the whole position. So we have no more news. Gotcha. I use it with Apex. Okay. I normally open the trades differently from the position. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I took a contract from to where are we? Yeah. Okay. I understand. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, you can do that as well. I mean, when I was connecting some evaluation accounts through TradeAwait, and I was connecting it to TradingView, sometimes I did the same. I put on the position with TradingView, come on, TradeAwait. So I put on the position with TradeAwait, and sometimes I just sold one a market order on TradingView just because. But you know, it's dealer's choice as they say. It's whatever suits you. Whatever suits you. If you're using market orders though, TradingView has a little bit of a lag because it's just a bridge, so it's just connecting you, so there's always going to be a little bit of a lag, some milliseconds, maybe a second, I don't know, but there's always going to be some lag. if you're placing the market order. Limit order is fine, but if you're placing market orders, there's always going to be a little bit of a lag through TradingView because it's not their platform. I mean, you know what I mean. I would like to see some displacements. Some of these instruments, I mean, some of these markets, but we don't really seem like we're having one. I'm gonna be zooming this one out, and I want to make sure that I'm seeing it correctly. Yes, we have a high at 650 and 6, so 2 ticks higher this candle is, which means that it's technically a market structure shift. Kind of interesting. That's kind of an interesting scenario. But I don't know. If it's repricing it in the next 30 something, yeah, 30 seconds, then it's not interesting anymore. Yeah, it's repricing it. Okay, it's repriced, so it's not interesting anymore. Not to me. I don't trade on 1 minute normally, so lag is fine. Okay, then you know, it's cool. It's fine. As I said, it's dealer's choice. So if you're not really going for scalping and not doing supersized crazy contracts, then hey, Joey passed 2 Apex accounts. Oh my god. Congratulations, Joey. That's awesome, man. That is great. Congratulations, man. So good to hear when someone passing an account. I hope I can build up these evaluation accounts as soon as possible, but since I'm going total slow, I think it's gonna take me at least a month more because I'm taking such a small positions. So yeah, we're just waiting. Seems like we're still in the retracement. I wonder if we're gonna have one more push to the upside maybe, or it's just gonna shift down, and are we gonna be visiting these lows before the news on both of these markets down there? That would be interesting, because many times, you know, as they just want to manipulate the market, they just want to take out all those stops that are still there. Okay, Nasdaq attempting to make another move up there. Let's see if it will do a displacement or not. We have all-time high still up there. Is it gonna go or not? That's the big question. Okay, let's see if this is going to have fair value gap. I don't know. I'm just going to measure it. Yeah, it seems like it's repricing it. Yeah. So that doesn't really puts it in a good sense, but I'm just gonna measure the risk anyway. Yeah. Maybe. Low of this candle is 14. Let's measure it. Okay, I put a pending order at 14. I don't know if it's gonna go down there and take it. So for now, I'm just waiting. It's just a limit order at 014. 18014. As for TP, I would be going with some new high there. So this is something I'm looking for right now. And I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get tapped in or not. As for Russell, there is nothing. It's going, but unfortunately without us, so I wanted to see a steeper retracement. I'm back. Okay, no structure shift on Russell so far. So if it wants to go, then maybe they could target previous high. 83% off. Yes, Royce. BULENOX, the cheapest upfront cost right now, but only for option 1 accounts, which is the intraday trading stop, which I have no problem with, is 83% if you use my code. Just have to click my link, put on, it's TOPSTEP 1 or TOPSTEP 2. I think it's going to be TOPSTEP 1 or 2 because they're changing it literally every second day. I mean, that's why you should try from 1 to 6. But from the option for the option 2 accounts, they have a 70. Let me check it. They have a 70%. The option 2 is the end of day trailing stop. End of day trailing stop is the option 2, and the option 1 is the intraday trailing stop, which I have absolutely no problem, as I said, because I'm not risking that much. I'm trading small size, so I don't have a problem with that. Okay, I got filled with this trade. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's gonna happen. My take profit is 81.50. 81.50. There. Okay, as for the Russell, there's also something happening. I don't know what. I'll try to find it out. We are having a structural shift on the Russell as well. Are we really having it? I think we do. Okay. That's interesting. Quantity is 2. Law of this candle is 68. Low is, sorry, 68.3. Pending order. Okay, I got filled with the Russell as well, and either way is gonna be a massacre or a huge win. I don't know. TP2 is higher. Should be profit level 80.9. I'm gonna put it to 81. I don't know. 81. Now let's go for 80.9. Okay, so I'm going with small size, but if it gets me, if it gets me, it's gonna get me. Not my favorite price action, that's for sure. But we all knew that this day can come anytime. So there we go. Okay, all right. Okay, still in the red. Seems like the Russell still wants to dive deeper. But if I go the 5 minute, well, it actually tapped a little bit liquidity there. So I don't know. Feels dangerous. And I don't know, what about the Nasdaq? The Nasdaq also tapped into some liquidity. I'm just not sure that it can hold it. I feel like the momentum is gone from the buyers. They're not stepping in right now, or I don't know what they're waiting for. Maybe for a deeper retracement, I guess. You know, it's just one of those days you can't really do anything. If the buyers are not coming, they're not coming. Let's just check ES. ES looks like it still wants to fight, but all-time high was 51.06, 05, 51.05. 51.05. Oh no, I'm wrong. Sorry. 51.23. How could I forget? The Enterprise is up there. 51.23. Okay, I thought that was the all-time high. Okay, I'm sorry. So I'm not sure about Nasdaq. But for now, it seems like a little bit crazy here. Not looking good. Especially this Russell trade. Yeah, I think it wants to go to tap into that liquidity. What's the low of? The low of this candle is 61.8, 61.9. Yeah, unfortunately it can go down to try to sweep some more liquidity from that move here. Not good. I think I should close the Russell trade. It's very strong conviction that it's gonna go down. Closing the Russell trade. Closed the Russell again. Small loss. But I think it will go down to sweep 61.9, which is unfortunate, but yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen with the Russell. Let me put on another chart here. Oh, we have data latency. All right. Okay. Yep. It can go. It can go. I have bearish feeling about this. Yeah. Me too. At least Nasdaq is still holding. It's still holding, but the rest I wasn't sure. The Russell is not really convincing me that it's good. Or it's good what it's doing. It should be going under the which level is that? 60. Low is 61.9. I think it will go under that. At least that's what I think. Only thing I could do is lower my risk. Even the Nasdaq is giving up right now. So yeah, we have buy side, but at what cost, you know? What was my original target? My original target was 80.9. Yeah. So we'll see. But I don't like it. That doesn't change the fact that I don't like it. We're back down. Oh no, the Nasdaq is giving up. No. No, 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 no. Not a good sign. Absolutely not a good sign. I don't want to scalp. I hate to scalp. I don't want to scalp. I don't want to do scalping. It really feels like that. This is a market structure ship which I don't like. And man, oh man. Russell didn't take out this area yet, but it should dump. Nasdaq is still holding. I'm sorry, guys. Just a technical phone call. You're not so convinced in your... I am not. I am not. I already lost the Russell, so I don't wanna jinx it. But guys, this is gonna be a very, 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 very red day for me. Even if I win this trade, it's not gonna be good for me. Unfortunately, I'm playing out my edge, so I'm doing what I have to do. Even if I was talking about this many times, losing days, losing weeks, even losing months. But what can I do? What can I do? That's the only thing. I can just execute it and wait. That's the only thing I can do for now. I'm not so convinced. That's true. That's true, actually. So yeah. I am not convinced. This Nasdaq is just, I don't know. It's acting up weird. I don't like how it's printing, you know, it's and not just Nasdaq, the whole thing is just, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what else is down here. Maybe I should close it. Feels like it wants to go lower. But it's definitely, it's like we're in no man's land, really. We have no volume. Do we have someone speaking later? I don't think so. Natural gas, all right. G20 meetings. Yeah, we have an FOMC member later. Well, guys, it is what it is. What can we do? Red days are red days. I can scalp a little bit here and there, but I don't really like to do that. It's not my thing. It frustrates me if I have to scalp my way out. If I want to dig myself out of the hole, it usually ends very bad. It's usually ending up very bad for me. So I think I just have to bite the bullet and call it a day if it's really, really going against me. Yeah, it's just going down. All right, close down my Nasdaq. I just don't like it. I don't like how it behaves. So for now, I'm not going. I think it's gonna take out the low down there. So I don't know what to do with it. It is what it is. Feels like it wants to break those lows. So yeah. It is what it is, guys. Maybe it's not gonna do it, but maybe it's gonna do it. I don't know. I'm not sure. Just have to wait. A little bit more. Maybe it will rebound. I don't know. So, if you were short, what would have been the target? Would be definitely down there around the midnight area, down there at 927-ish. Yeah, price action is definitely bad. So down there, that's where I would be aiming for. If you look at the 5-minute, we definitely have some targets at 960, below 960. I don't know. So I don't know if this, I mean, this swing low is definitely holding some stops. I'm just, I don't know what to do with this. Because if they want to send it down to that, below that swing low, I don't know, guys. Not sure what they want to do here. It's close to that swing low. Anyway, it is what it is. What can I say? We have to have some red days, so I think they're just gonna take out that swing low. But we cannot do anything. Today's a red day, guys. Officially, today for me is ending up in the red. Tried to protect capital as much as I could, but I couldn't. Tried my best. There you go. Too much losses in one day. Oh my god, look at this drop. It went from 81 to... Okay, quick 15 points down. That was crazy. That was crazy. Oh, somebody subscribed. Thank you so much for the subscription. Iron Virgil, thank you very much for the sub. And by the way, huge applause. So today is gonna be the first video where I'm gonna be talking about a huge red day. And it's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be like... I'm gonna let you know how much across the evaluation accounts, because now I have 4 evaluations. I started with 3. So I'm gonna count it together. I lost like at least 200 of each. Huge red day. Huge red day for me. So my funded futures account is down minus $197. The BULENOX account, let's see, BULENOX account $180. Okay. The first Apex account is down minus $181. Huge loss, guys, across the board. And the second Apex account is down $163. Don't ask me why. $163. I guess it's the lag. So let me add it together. Plus 180 plus, oh my god, $721 across 4 evaluation accounts. This is the biggest loss so far in the past almost 3 weeks for me. So huge red day. Huge red day. Minus 721. Wow. Not good. Not good. Well, I did what I could. I had many stop losses today. For example, I had 1 winner here. 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop, 4 stop losses in a row on Nasdaq. 4 stop losses in a row. So that puts me negative 2R. Just the Nasdaq. I didn't take this trade. On the Russell, I had, oh my god, full of stop losses today. Oh my god. All right. 2 stop, negative 6R. And as I was dealing with these, so that's why I was risking about $50 per trade. But I had actually a winner as well. So this one absorbed 2 losses. So 1, 1, 2, that's 2R. No, sorry, 1, 1, 2, that's 2R. That's 2 negative. and 2 negative here. Yeah, so that's correct. That's with commissions and everything, that's about minus $200 for 4 losing trades with $50 per each. So it is what it is, guys. This is the point where I should not be continuing to trade to protect the capital. I was downsizing for $50 per trade. The edge didn't play out today. That's it. But I have no trade entries, so I couldn't even go even if I had. This was real dangerous today, guys. This was real crazy action. But it's part of trading. What can I say? I'm not gonna lick my wounds. It is what it is. The main account at BULENOX is still okay. So basically everything is fine. I played out everything as I should have, and that's it. Okay, everything is basically intact. Didn't really had data latency issue, which is a good thing. And what else we got? No structure shift nowhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and you know, we're getting closer to 1K subs, and also like the stream. I'm gonna be doing a recap of today. It is what it is. And if you think that every day is a winner or a break even, then obviously you're wrong, because even the best traders have losing days. Overall, we're doing good. The accounts are in good health, thank God. So the accounts are in good condition. I'm pretty much optimistic, so no worries. I'm just I feel bad that I really wanted to. I mean, I saw some good moves, and you know, what can I say? Maybe some of these trades could have been avoided, but that's a different thing. This is tough action. Yeah, this is absolutely tough action. The only thing you can do is step away and, you know, continue tomorrow. We have Friday, and actually it's last day of the month, so maybe tomorrow we will have something. I'm gonna be also trading on Friday with reduced risk as much as I can. So on a 50K account, I'm gonna be using still around $40 or $50 per trade. But I reached my daily threshold, which is $200 maximum per account, and I cannot go further than this. I cannot risk more. It's small baby steps, but that is what it is, and that's how you can prepare yourself for the next day. Let me put this here. Of course, we can still see some nice movement here. Last day of the month, but NFP week, yeah, frankly I do work on that. Yeah, NFP, I mean, I'm a little bit the opposite. NFP weeks are not that bad as you think so. NFP weeks are actually not bad. So maybe on NFP Friday you should be aware of your risk much more, but they're not that bad. So it's fine. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to think of this price action anymore. register for the discounts, because today is the last day when you can get the My Funded Futures starter accounts with no activation fee. You should go for it. Use my link. And also grab your 80% discount with Apex. Are you guys in a trade or anything? Let me know. Okay. That's great advice. Thank you. In my humble opinion, they are generating liquidity at the moment. They are leaving clear liquidity targets for a move higher. I'm still bullish as well. I'm still bullish on Nasdaq. Possibly the PM session or Friday. Yeah, it can happen. As I said, I'm still bullish. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. We are here to live. We're fight for another day. You know, live to fight another day. Something like that. Even if I check some, so if I recap only the Nasdaq, and I go with the London session. Of course, we had this beautiful trade. What else we had? Took out liquidity. Retrace back down here. My current plan is to hold onto my short a little more. Then yeah, the 920 area is looking good. Papa knows, I think you have something there. The 920 area is definitely an interesting place. What else do I have here? So nice short there. Retracement loss. Okay. So the London session was interesting. That's for sure. As for the New York session, oh well. I don't know what to think of the New York session. The news definitely mixed up the cards. And I was hoping that the Russell is going to go for that buy side, but it didn't. I gotta hand it that, I mean, I'm overtraded a little bit, but as I said, I was within my risk threshold. Auction in 16 minutes, yeah. I'm not in trade, I'm out, I'm flat. I am absolutely flatlined. No trades, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Let me check the news here. Yeah, G20 minutes. Yeah, maybe the bond auction will give us something, who knows. Who knows? Nasdaq is looking a little bit higher. I'm not trading. I have a demo account. I can play out some edge, but have to watch out for it. The London session was the Judas. Okay, swept previous day low. Missed the setup. Okay. Well, I'd like to short from 1825. 1825. Yeah. I mean, it looks like a good area. Let me check something. You know, technically we also have a structure shift right now from 07 right here. So if someone wants to go long from here, and put your stop loss. It's too wide. Too wide of a stop, maybe here. I don't know. The TP risk reward of 2 on the micro. Yeah, on the micro you can do so. You have to be careful. Elevated risk. If I would enter, that would be over trading. Alpine got hit hard because of trading without stop. Oh, really? He's a smart trader. He's a smart trader, but he's I think he's using a little bit wider stops anyway, because he's using a strategy like I don't know the details. As much as I learned from his video, I think he's using reverse risk to reward. I don't know. So his risk is usually bigger than his reward, I guess. I don't know. Oh, minus 24k for Alpine today. All right. Well, not all right. But he's a smart guy. He's a smart guy. I feel for him. I took a loss during London sessions that I was swinging a contract from Asia. I was bullish London, but they just flushed it. Yeah, they did. Yeah. Alpine took 24k on his funded, but I guess all of his funded together. I guess that's how he made that. He was on track for his best month as well. Goes to show how quickly things can change. Things can change very quickly, and I hit my maximum loss as well. I mean, my mental stop loss. So yeah, things can really change quickly. But this is trading, and the only thing you can do is manage risk. So if we are on a losing streak, I am on a losing streak today. The worst decision I could be making is if I would just start to revenge trade or something like that. But anyway, guys, I think this is it for me. It was a great day. So I mean, despite the fact that I lost, it was a great day. I enjoyed the streams in London as well, and I enjoyed the conversation with you guys. Please subscribe. We're getting closer to that 1k target. Let's push this channel, push the likes, and listen, grab your discounts, because my funded futures is really cheap. TOPSTEP new accounts right now, 20% discount. But it's gonna be fine. Sorry to your time. I'm glad to hear that you manage risk well. That's the only thing that's the only thing we can control, the risk management. So this is it, guys. This is a red day. It's in the cards. Don't forget, the main thing is to protect your capital. So I followed my, not 100% followed my plan, but I had some not too perfect trades. But anyway, I'm following my plan now. I'm stopping for today. So thank you for being here with me, and tomorrow London continues. Let's look forward into this, and guys, thank you so much for being here, and see you guys tomorrow, I guess. I'm tired. I'm gonna do a recap and upload it. Okay, thank you so much for being here. See you guys tomorrow.